you guys, how are you guys doing? So you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Okay guys, so how are you guys doing today and how is your day? Okay, so I got something pleasing, okay, something that you have been waiting for. Now every lady needs this. Every lady needs their skin to be uniform, to be brighter, to be lighter, and to get to be glowing. Okay, so you need to have that uniform skin, and you need to restore that collagen, that lost collagen on your skin. This is actually a very simple and yet natural drink that will make your skin uniform, that will give you softness on your skin, that will glow your skin, and that will brighten up your skin. You know the word that says garbage in, garbage out when you're actually learning computer? Yeah, okay, this is how it is. When you take this juice in, it helps you glow your skin, and it makes your skin look polished, looks young, looks soft, and look rejuvenated. Okay, so that is what this drink will do on your skin. So don't worry, just stay put as I will show you all of the ingredients and the drink, and of course tell you more things while we go in the video. So do continue watching this video to the very end so you could see all of that. Now let me take you right in. Have a younger you guys, we're gonna be needing this, and this is watermelon. Okay, we're gonna be needing some watermelon. Okay, so since watermelon contains 90% of water in here, it is very ideal for the body. Now when you actually consume it, it's great for your skin. It glows your skin, because you know what the trick about the skin is that what you actually take inside is actually what is going to reflect from the outside. Okay, so how healthy you are from the inside shows how healthy you are going to be looking from the outside. Okay, so that's what we're doing here. Okay, so after that, I'm actually not going to be putting any water to blend this, because the watermelon itself contains a whole lot of water. Okay, so after that done, we are going to be sieving this out. Okay, so here I have my watermelon juice. I'm going to be keeping that aside. Okay guys, so we're also going to be needing to use some orange. Now orange contains a whole lot of vitamin C, which is very vital for the skin. It helps the skin glow, and it makes you look super bright, glowing, and beautiful. So you can actually use as much orange as you can actually lay your hand on. But for me, I'm gonna be using just one orange juice. Okay, so our orange juice is sieved, strained, and I'm gonna be sieving it out equally. Then also we're going to be making use of carrot. Now, taking carrots is actually very ideal because it actually makes your skin super duper glowing and it makes you look really young. Like, I love this particular drink because it's just everything. It is that. Have to transfer that into a bowl. Now I have to cut it so that it could be very easy to blend out. Yeah. Now I'll okay guys, so this is it. And now I would have to be straining the carrot juice out equally. Okay, my carrot juice is juiced out, and going to also be needing some apple. Okay, to have that glow, to look beautiful, and to have that uniform complexion, you need this goodness. Okay, so I have a little cut of apple. Yeah, so I'm gonna be blend. So also be sieving that out. Now in all of this juice guys, in all of these fruits, you can actually decide not to squeeze them out and take all of the goodness, all of the fiber. Okay, oh, this is the apple, the carrots, the watermelon, the orange, and we're going to be needing some turmeric. Now I have fresh turmeric, but the problem is when I blend fresh turmeric, it's just gonna stain everywhere, so I'd rather use the dry turmeric. Just a little of that. So this is the orange, and I'm gonna be turning in the carrots. I'll also turn in the watermelon. Then I'll turn in the apple. Now I'll add just a little bit of, very little bit of turmeric. And then we would stir this all up together very well. And this is amazingly beautiful, and drink this every day for a younger skin, uniform skin, a glowing skin, and a more radiant and more beautiful complexion. Yeah, okay, let me have a taste of it. This is so yummy, and it tastes really great. It tastes really nice. I'm loving it. It is so nice. It tastes really good. Go try this out and have your skin looking looking beautiful. Yeah, so that's it. You see, the taste is amazing, the color is superb, it helps so much, and you are definitely gonna be loving it, because the drink is everything. You want to glow, you want to look young, you want to look polished, you want your skin to be uniform. This is what you need, guys. You do not need no other thing but this. It will help you so very much. So go give this a go and enjoy it. Have a brighter skin, have a uniform skin, and of course a softer skin. So I'll see you again in my next video, guys. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I'll see you. Bye.